So today is going to be a new type of video. It's going to be an unboxing of my subscription box. But today we're going to do a battle of the boxes. Dun dun dun! We're going to be unboxing Boxy Charm and BRICHBOX. And I'm just gonna go ahead and go through all of the items in each box and then tell you which box I like overall and which products I like the most from each box. So let's just get into it. But first, you guys, before we get into this video, go ahead and drop a like, please. Thank you. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell just so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Boxy Charm is always the plug, so I already know it's gonna be good. But BRICHBOX is pretty good too, so I'm excited. This is gonna be fun. So first, I'm gonna open Boxy Charm, and it has some tape, so I just need to get a little assistance. And if you may have noticed, I do have a different background, and that's because I'm in LA right now for my sister's graduation. But I thought it would be fun to do my every month videos, but in a different location, just because I'm going to be in a different location. And I got the boxes like 2-3 days ago, so I was like, yes, let's do that. Alright, so I got the Boxy Charm box open, so let's go ahead and get into it, because you know Boxy Charm is always super cute put together when it first comes out of the box. So let's open it together. Alright, so of course they have the little cute Boxy Charm little pamphlet, and I believe all of the items that are in here in the box are going to be on here. Yeah, and their prices and everything. So that's what that is. So this is what it looks like coming out of the box, coming out of the package. So I already see some pretty good goodies, so I'm pretty excited already. Alright, so the first thing I'm picking up, I'm super excited about, are these Luxe brushes. And they look like, oops, they're super cute. They're pink, and they have like a two-tone brush hue, and it says Luxe. It's a 516 duo fiber powder, a 660 precision foundation, and 522 tapered highlight. So let me go ahead and open this so you guys can get an actual look-see at the actual brushes in there, like the figures. So this one is the tapered highlight brush. So it's kind of tapered, I guess. And the next one, let's see. So the next one is the duo fiber powder brush, which is this one, and it's cool. They all feel very like soft, so that's nice. And the last one is the precision foundation brush, which is this one. And this one will just be, you know, getting that liquid foundation in there nicely, you know. So that's these brushes, and let me go ahead and tell you guys the price of the brushes. And they are regularly $42. Flawless complexion set name is, or whatever. I don't really know. I don't know. I just said it on the paper, so I read it to you. But anyways, so those are it. I'm pretty excited that I bring these boxes because I didn't bring a lot of my makeup, and like I don't have any palettes, and I already know I'm gonna get a palette in the Boxy Charm box. So I'm like, yes, because I don't have any eyeshadows. So I was like, dang. But anyways, okay. So the next item that I grabbed is this, and they look like they're lashes. They are Battlington lashes, and that's the little logo, and that's the name. And ooh, they're so cute. If you follow Boxy Charm online, you already basically have seen everything that's in here, and you know that you were gonna get these lashes, these cute AF lashes. Like, they look so natural. Like, I'm so in love with these. And they're Monroe 3D silk lashes. So, okay. Thank you, Boxy Charm. You always come with the plug. Okay. And these are regularly $28. These are regularly $28. So I'm really excited, like, because I've been trying to go for getting lashes and starting to use them more, but it's hard. Like, I like my lashes, they're long, so I'm pretty good with just a mascara. But I want to, like, when my lashes, they start tripping and doing weird stuff, I want to wear lashes, like fake lashes. So, but yeah, these are like super nice. They're 100%, they're handmade with 100% silk and impressive durability, allowing up to 25 applications with proper care. That's cool. All right. Oops. Oh. So the next thing is this lippy here, and this is from OFRA. So I'm not even gonna try to say that. And it's long-lasting liquid lipstick, and it's a nude color. It's super cute. Give you guys a little swatchy of that bad boy. Looks like it needs to be a little bit mixed here. So get you like a little, oh, that's so nice and neutral, like super cute. Like, look at that. That's nice. Not there. That's cute. Okay. And this is regularly $21. Okay, so the next thing that I'm getting is this Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and infused with all powerful Guaranian extract. I don't know if I said that right or what it is, so let's smell it. I always, oh, okay, maybe not. Oh, I always see these in Sephora when I'm checking out, but I never really like know what they are. I can't even open it. I'm so, oh, there we go. I think it's just like hand cream. Ooh. Oh, it smells like, oh my gosh. That smells amazing. It almost smells like yogurt, like a good, like vanilla-y yogurt or something, but better, but it's sweeter. And yeah, it's like vanilla yogurt, but like if you were to go to like a frozen yogurt place, that's the taste that I'm like, oh shoot. Well, okie dokie. Actually, I don't really want that, but it's nice. It's a nice quantity. Alright, so let's see. It smells great. Not gonna lie to you guys, it smells wonderful. So this is a Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and this is regularly $10. Caramel leaves, skin delicately fragranced. Oh, so it's pistachio that I'm smelling. So that's that. And the last, oh no, not the last. So the next thing I see is a John 2 Blue eyeliner pencil, and it's in dark brown. Interesting. I mean, that's what it looks like, and that's the color. I don't know why they would give me a brown eyeliner. Like, who wears brown eyeliner? But okay, I definitely will probably try to use that sometime. But this is regularly, oh, but it's waterproof. That's cool. Waterproof eyeliner. It's regularly $5. Pretty excited about it. It's this palette right here. First of all, it's mad cute. Like, I'm enjoying it. It looks like a little book. Like, wow, that's cute. So it's a, what is this? Almar, I'm so sorry. I don't know what I thought that, I don't even know what that says. So Almar is the brand, and this is regularly $28, and let's go ahead and open it. Oh, wow, these colors are so nice. What do you mean? What did you think I'm gonna do? Wow, they're so cute. I'm definitely really enjoying these colors right here and that. Liking all these colors. I could see myself wearing all of them. Alright, so I'm just gonna cover that back up so it stays nice. But this look, because I'm about to wear it tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you, Boxy Charm. Alright, so that was everything in the Boxy Charm box. Super loved. Needed. Alright. Out of the Boxy Charm, what I like the most, I think, would be these lashes and this palette and these brushes. Just because I love brushes. Like, I love getting brushes because I don't like cleaning my brushes, so I just like getting new brushes, you know. But yeah, so these three things are the things that I like the most out of that box. Okay, so BRICHBOX. BRICHBOX. Alright, let me go ahead and open it. Wow, everything is being cooperative today. Oh. Spoke too soon. Oh, the box is cute. The box is super cute. All these little people at the beach. That's what I was doing today too. But okay, so let's go ahead and get right into this bad boy. Warm weather pleasures. Okay. Oh, guys. So first thing that we're jumping off with is some shampoo and conditioner. Little travel sizes, but they're like super like heavy. Like, there's a lot. It's 3 fluid ounces. Like, you just can get these on the plane. These are regularly $13 each, full size. It's a booster conditioner and shampoo. Ooh la la. So the next thing that I'm picking up is a More Brows, like the littlest thing you'll ever see in your life. What do you guys, how do you even use this? But anyway, so this is a gel formula into brows to add intense thickness. I don't even need this, so, but yeah. So this full size is $18. Yeah. So the next thing is a Purity moisturizer. Let's see. Oh, and then that's what it looks like in the package, or out of the package. And this is regularly $25 full size, and it's 7 milliliters, and it says it's made with vitamin C and E oil, so that's cool. And the last thing is this Marcelli. I don't know, and I don't feel like trying too hard, so that's the name. And it's mascara. It's curling and lengthening mascara. And this is regularly $15 full size. So that is everything in the BRICHBOX. So the things that I think I like the most is definitely this Purity face moisturizer and this mascara and the conditioner. Like, those are my top goes, I think, just because I love conditioner and I love mascara, and this is the go. I'm excited to try this. So, but overall, definitely Boxy Charm blew BRICHBOX out of the water, just because, well, so let's see the reasons why Boxy Charm won. The palette and the lashes, like, first of all, the lashes themselves, they're silk lashes. What do you mean? Like, just this is worth more than the 2 boxes that I paid. So I'm really enjoying that. And they're so nice. These are the nicest lashes I've gotten ever now. So, and they're so cute, and I cannot wait to try them. Like I'm super excited about them. And these colors in this palette, they just give me summer vibes for real. Like, I could legitimately keep this in my beach bag, and if I ever wanted to touch up some eyeshadow, just be like, oh, let me go ahead and put some makeup on so we can have a little photo op. Okay, here. I could do so with this. Okay? And then I could do so with the brushes that I got in the bag. Not really, but I could. But yeah, and I was really glad to get this, even though like trying it's not really, or like opening it and like all that, it didn't really move me. Like I wouldn't buy this if I ever got to just open this in the store. I would never buy it. But I can't wait to try it and see if I actually do enjoy it. But yeah, Boxy Charm, it just gives me life. Like just because you get a palette, it just gives you more life, because that's like a complete thing that I never buy. I never buy palettes. I never buy eyeshadows. I only get them in my Boxy Charm boxes. But yeah, so Boxy Charm 1. Yay, Boxy Charm. Let me know if, as soon as you clicked on this video, if you knew which box was gonna win. But, so yay. Boxy Charm 1. Usual. Yay. But alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about the items that I got, or that you liked, or what you got in your boxes this month. So stay tuned for my next video. I'll be dropping another one really soon, you know, this week sometime. And I hope everyone's day is going good. Like, chit chat on the comments. How's everyone's life going? What's new? But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye, lovies.